In this video, I will show you on how to transfer money in Alipay, or how you can send funds from one Alipay account to another Alipay account without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or better still, you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier either on Alipay or on WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to send money in Alipay. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to paste the account number right here. I'm going to simply click on here, and I'll click on hold down. I'll paste the account number right here. Immediately you place the account number, the next thing you need to do is to click on the account name right here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on transfer. Then enter the amount you are sending right here. I'm sending 400 yuan. I've entered the amount, click on transfer. Then click on confirm. Then enter your payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply take a screenshot of this proof of payment. And I'm going to click on here, done. And I have to head over to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them. Payments sent. Now send. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay, consider to subscribe. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to send funds to your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.